A really big thank you to the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation for making the 2026 Hanson Box possible. We're sending this year's box to 5,000 schools all across the UK, and as always, it's completely free, including even shipping. We really hope the students at the schools will enjoy these resources. This year's box contains a book called Amazing Archaeology. This book explores the world's most incredible archaeological sites. It explores their history, why they were built, what purpose they served, and honestly just explores some of the most interesting history that our world holds. From the pyramids, to Stonehenge, to cathedrals, mosques, castles. It's a very interesting book to explore history of the world. The next book is called Nature's Tricks, and this book explores all the different forms of camouflage, subterfuge, and counter-camouflage employed in the natural world. It's much more complicated than you might imagine. It's not just animals hiding from predators. Some of them mimic others or pretend to be venomous or poisonous when they're not at all. And it's actually quite a fun book because it's a bit tricky to actually spot some of the animals. They're so well camouflaged. So I hope your students will enjoy exploring the world of camouflage in that book. The next book is called Amazing Ecosystems. This book explores the world's most amazing ecosystems, from coral reefs to rainforests to deserts and everything in between. And it explores some of the key species that live in those ecosystems, as well as some of the conservation threats and issues that we have to consider to conserve those beautiful habitats. The last book in the box is called Our Marine World, and this explores the world's incredible diversity of marine ecosystems. From kelp forests to the deep sea, it explores some of the least known ecosystems on Earth. And like the last book, it explores the key species in those habitats and some of the conservation threats and conservation priorities that people need to think about to conserve those amazing parts of the world. There's a cover letter from the trustees of the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation, a flyer about the really exciting Children's Parliament project. Your students can get involved and learn how politics works. There's even opportunities for them to go and visit the Houses of Parliament. There's QR codes on the back of the flyer to provide more information. And last but not least, there's our annual competition. This year, we're giving away £1,000 in prizes to winning students. The competition task is to draw your favourite archaeological site or historical character. You can use the Amazing Archaeology book for inspiration. It can be any person or place through history, so you've got a huge range to choose from. Entries have to be submitted by October the 9th, so I really hope this competition gets your students excited and drawing. Well, I really hope your students will enjoy this year's Hanson Box, and remember, sign up on our website for next year's resource box. Thank you for watching.